Good evening, everyone. It's Marcy, live from Million Planners, and I am planning in my PJs. It is that time of night when I do all my planning, and tonight I'm going to show you how I repurposed an insert to use it for something slightly different than it was intended for. So you get a bunch of inserts, or you have your pre-filled planner and you're not quite satisfied with everything that's in it. So you're unsure of what to do with a certain insert. It looked good on the website. It sounded good. You thought you would use it for one thing, but you realized you don't do that thing that you thought you were going to use it for, like a daily insert, and maybe you don't plan every day out specifically. So I'm going to show you how I repurposed one of our daily inserts to make it more functional for my lifestyle, because not every insert needs to be used exactly the way it was intended to be used for. That's the whole purpose of not having your pre-filled planners. But if you do have one that you're stuck and you don't want to waste the pages, you can do something similar in yours as well. And what I really love about our inserts is a lot of them you can get undated. Well, I believe 99.9% of them you can get undated. I mean, or just about 100%, basically. You can get them undated, so that's a great feature. But you can also sticker over dates as well. I know people do that. So if you find you don't use all the pages, you can sticker over the dates. You can sticker over things to make it functional for yourself. Maybe you use a page for notes instead of planning for that day, or whatever it is. So this is one of our daily inserts, and this is our daily hourly, and as you can see, it has the times broken into 15-minute increments. It starts at 8 and ends at 9, but also, if you notice, I don't know if you can see, it doesn't have AM or PM. So you can see that there, and you can see how you can put different things in the different time slots. It also has a spot where it has today's focus, to do, to call, and then a section for notes. Well, for me, I don't make a lot of calls, hardly ever, so I wouldn't technically use that. And I don't always have a daily focus. Sometimes my focus is weekly or monthly. So I'm going to show you what I did to set this up, and how I'm going to tell you how I'm going to use it. So here is my setup for it. I have here, it says important, to do, and remember. So I kept the to-do spot as a to-do list, which is good. And as you can see, I have traced these boxes and trace the lines between the time slots with different shades of purple here and different shades of blue on this one. And I'm going to make a perpetual schedule. So what I'm going to do is write down the things that I do daily that drive my businesses. So I've made a list already here of all the things right here on my notepad, which you can see is in the back of the planner. So that's a good use of the pocket in the back. And I'm going to take all those things that I do on a daily basis and sort of make a schedule for myself and use it as like a monthly or a weekly perpetual schedule. And then I'm going to put like a weekly or monthly focus. I haven't decided. I think I'm going to do it monthly. So I'm going to put what's most important for the month to get done and break it down on my to-dos. And I'm going to put here things to remember for the month. So whether it's team meetings or if it's just extra to-dos or whatever it is, I have that section there. And then down here I can put notes throughout the month of my progress on how I'm doing in my businesses. So that's what I have for you tonight. A way to repurpose or use an insert in a manner other than necessarily that it was intended for. This was intended to be a daily schedule, and I'm going to be using it for a perpetual schedule. All right. Thanks for watching and have a great night. Bye for now.